Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body's design. And this is a flange bolt. Okay, this is a flange bolt design is and how to this body's design easily and clearly. And this is a all 2D drafting is also available here. And today discuss here one by one all 2D drafting, and one by one is all process is learn here and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. Okay, and this is a final product, and this is a flange bolt design. And okay, and this is all size, all 2D drafting size is given here. And okay, let's start here one by one. All design, all measurement is learn here, and this product is design. Okay, and this is a product is design here, and how to this body is design easily and clearly. Okay, 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 all is a correct and perfect. Okay guys, let's start here this body is design. Okay, at first part is select here, and some setting is okay, and this is a document property and going to image quality, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, at first drawing this hexagon, and hexagon is 19.5, and this circle is cut out is a 18.2. Okay, at first drawing and this length is 12. Okay, plane is use a front plane, and drawing a hexagon is this. Okay, and this length is a vertical. Okay, and align dimension, this dimension is a 19.5. okay, this is a perfect. And extrude boss apply here, and this thickness is 12. Okay, and this thickness is 12, and this is a blind. Okay, all is correct, this is a perfect. And select back side, sketch normal, and drawing a circle is this. Okay, and this circle is a this is a circle is diameter is 13, and this length is a 48. Okay, this circle diameter is 13, and use active extrude boss, and this total length is 48. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and some use this chamfer is used here, and this chamfer is a 1 mm and 45-degree angle, and this fillet is used a 0.8. Okay, and this fillet is used 0.8, and this is a use this 0.8 is a 0.8 is perfect. Okay, and this is a use a chamfer is a 1 mm. Okay, and 45-degree angle, use a this and click OK. And material is apply here, this is a nickel, and polish brush is perfect. Okay, and okay, next is a this cutout is this. Okay, this circle is drawing. Okay, at first cutout is a Okay, this cutout is this circle is 2 millimeter and this length is 1.7. okay, and use this okay, use a right plane and sketch normal, and use a 3-point arc and select this point to this point, select okay, okay, and connect to this point to this, okay, and both line is equal. Okay, this is a perfect and this okay, and this diameter is 2 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and not a fully defined because this point to press a control button and this is a vertical. Okay, this is a fully defined, and this use a extrude cut means revolve cut, then use click a center line and draw a origin because this center line is a axis of revolution, and this use a x to revolve cut and use a revolve cut. Okay, this axis is axis of revolution and automatic this axis is selected, and okay, this is a perfect okay, okay, this line is a delete here. Okay, at first this is a delete here. Okay, this is a perfect. And use a axis. Okay, this is a perfect. And okay, this cutout is a very nice looking here. Okay, and next is a select this face, sketch normal, and drawing a circle. Circle is this, and this circle is a diameter is 18.2 because this is a this drawing a circle and inside a circle 18.2, and this thickness cutout is a 1.87, and use a extrude cut. Okay, and this length is a 1.87 is correct, but some increase point is also perfect, but this is a 2.87. okay, 1 millimeter is add here, this is a missing point. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, and use a fillet. Fillet is a 2 millimeter and click this, click okay. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and next is a use a this and okay, all is perfect, and then use this 5.2 millimeter and this 14.2 millimeter, and this is a 0.8 millimeter use here, and this okay, use a top plane, sketch normal. Okay, and this point is draw a line is this, and use this and again this line is this. Okay, this is a perfect, and some line is a drag here. Okay, and use a this tangent arc and connect to this to this. Okay, and mention align a dimension. This dimension is a 14.2. okay, this is a 14.2 and this is a 5.2. 14.2 is perfect, and this dimension is 5.2 is perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect, and this is a 40. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, not 40, this is delete here, because this distance is a 0.8 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a correct. And again draw a circle. Circle is this, connect to center point. Okay, draw a circle, connect to center, and this. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a fully defined. All is a correct, and use a use a revolve boss, and the connect, select this. Okay, this is a, at first select this, and okay, this and this and this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, preview is showing here, and this is a perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and use a fillet. Fillet is a this 2 millimeter, and 1 by 1 all is select here. Okay, this to this, and click this, and click OK. Okay, this is looking very nice looking here, and perfect. Okay, and all is drawing this. Okay, all is perfect, drawing here, and then use a thread. Thread is a this length is 38 millimeter, and this offset is 2 millimeter, but some added here increase, and 1.5. this is a okay. And this 1.25 is pitch. Okay, and click a thread. Thread is this is a 38 millimeter, and click this edge. Okay, and this metric die is correct, and size is a 1.25, and this is a perfect, 1.M12 1.25. Okay, correct and perfect. M12 1.25 is better, and this is a okay. Offset is a this 3 millimeter, and direction is upward, and this is a 2 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a correct, and also this is a 40 millimeter is better. Okay, and 2 millimeter offset and 40 millimeter is correct, and metric die size is M12 1.25, and this is a correct, cut thread and right handed thread. Okay, okay, some little time is spent here because this thread is active process is working. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a looking very nice here. Okay, and some thread color is change here because this body is looking perfect and correct. Okay, this is a looking very nice here, and okay, this is a perfect and correct, and this is a okay. Okay, guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.